Hi guys, welcome to the day one of our Satara trip. We started with an overnight bus from Mumbai to Satara, and we reached Satara early morning and started off with a breakfast and started our journey and look at the views from our drive right there. It was absolutely lush green at the end of the monsoon season, and now look at some of the views right here. The views are absolutely fantastic, and look at the panoramic view of the Satara skyline. This is on the way to the Thoseghar Waterfalls. Thoseghar Waterfall is around like 50 to 100 steps downhill from the parking area, and once we reach there, look at the waterfall in full force. It's looking absolutely gorgeous, and we are at the end of the monsoon, and the waterfall is in full force. Please subscribe to us for more such videos and part 2 of our Satara trip.